Look around you. Everything you see, every mountain, every ocean, every planet, every star in the night sky, even you, everything has a beginning. But have you ever wondered about the beginning of reality itself? What existed before Earth? Before the sun? Before the first star lit up the darkness? What existed before the universe? For thousands of years, humans have asked this question. Ancient civilizations created myths and legends. Some believed the universe emerged from chaos. Others believed it had always existed. But modern science revealed something extraordinary. The universe was not eternal. It had a beginning. A moment when everything we know came into existence. Today, scientists call that event the Big Bang. But despite its name, the Big Bang was not an explosion in space. Because space itself did not exist yet. There were no galaxies, no stars, no planets, no atoms, not even light. Everything that exists today was compressed into something unimaginably small. Smaller than an atom. Smaller than anything we can imagine. A state scientists call a singularity. Inside that singularity existed all matter, all energy, all space, and all time. Everything that would one day become the universe. But then a mysterious question appears. Where did the singularity come from? What existed before it? The truth is, nobody knows. And that is one of the greatest mysteries in science. Because according to our current understanding of physics, time itself began with the Big Bang. If time did not exist before the Big Bang, then the question, what happened before, may not even make sense. Imagine asking what is north of the North Pole. There is no answer. Because the North Pole is already the northernmost point. In a similar way, the Big Bang may represent the beginning of time itself. There may have been no before. This idea sounds impossible, because our minds are built to think in terms of before and after. Cause and effect. Beginning and ending. But the universe does not always follow human intuition. The deeper scientists explore reality, the stranger it becomes. Today, powerful telescopes allow us to look billions of years into the past. When we observe distant galaxies, we are seeing ancient light. Light that began its journey billions of years ago. The farther we look into space, the farther we look back in time. And everywhere scientists looked, they discovered the same thing. The universe is expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other. Space itself is stretching. Imagine dots drawn on a balloon. As the balloon expands, every dot moves farther away from every other dot. That is exactly what is happening across the universe. The discovery changed everything. Because if the universe is expanding today, then in the distant past, everything must have been closer together. Farther back, closer still, and farther back again. Until eventually, all matter and energy were compressed into an incredibly dense state. But scientists needed proof. And then they found it. In 1964, two radio astronomers named Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson made an unexpected discovery. No matter where they pointed their antenna, they detected a faint signal coming from every direction in space. At first, they believed it was interference. Perhaps faulty equipment. Perhaps signals from Earth. But the signal remained. It came from everywhere. Scientists soon realized what they had found. The oldest light in the universe. A faint glow left behind by the Big Bang itself. Today, it is known as the cosmic microwave background. A relic from the birth of the universe. A whisper from nearly 13.8 billion years ago. Evidence that the Big Bang really happened. For the first time in history, humanity had discovered traces of the universe's beginning. But understanding the Big Bang created even more questions. Why did the universe begin? Why does anything exist at all? Why do the laws of physics have the values they do? Why is the universe capable of producing stars, planets, and life? Scientists continue searching for answers. Some theories suggest our universe may be part of a larger multiverse. Others propose that reality emerged from quantum fluctuations. Some believe entirely new physics remains undiscovered. The truth is that we are still exploring. Still learning. Still trying to understand our cosmic origins. Yet one fact remains extraordinary. Every atom in your body. Every drop of water in Earth's oceans. Every planet. Every star. Every galaxy. All of it traces back to a single beginning. A moment when reality itself came into existence. The story of the universe is the story of everything. And in the next chapter, we will witness the first moments after the Big Bang. The birth of space. The birth of time. The birth of matter itself. A moment so extreme that the laws of physics were pushed beyond their limits. The greatest journey in existence is only beginning. If you enjoyed this journey into the mystery before the beginning, subscribe to SIRIQUS for more cinematic documentaries about space, cosmology, black holes, science, and the mysteries of the universe.